So state your name.
I am Rebecca Murphy, owner of Lady Becca Anointed Hands in Alexandria, Virginia.
Okay. So earlier I asked you about curly cuts and what do you feel like was the issue in regards to split ends?
Okay, so with curly cutting, it is mainly addressing shaping. I recommend when you're starting out, I really like to blow dry my client's hair and cut off everything that is dead, damaged, over processed, anything like that. And then we go in, we do a wash and go, and I shape their hair doing a curly cut.
Okay. So right now, if someone's been receiving curly cuts and they was concerned, like maybe they had split ends, what would you suggest?
I would suggest talking to your stylist to see if you, what are your options are. I know for myself, I do have the option of blow drying their hair out to see how much damage is there, and trimming their hair that way, or getting a couple inches off with your curly cut.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.